Guys, hi everyone and welcome to my channel. As you know, in cryptocurrency, 2024 is a bullish year and many are predicting Bitcoin's rise. By the way, it's about $70,000 right now, and it's why I want to prove you that it's possible to make money on this coin even if you're start with very small deposit. So make yourself comfortable. I think it's going to be a very long video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll start our trading session. And look, today I'm going to start with 50 bucks in my balance. Each currency pair I'm fixing as usual, and I want to start by adding indicators. I will be adding and removing currency pairs during this trading session, so I want to start with the indicator settings. As usual, I changed the period to 7 and the deviation to 2. And I'll be using the stochastic oscillator today. It does a great job of showing reversal zones, well, my favorites. Alright guys, so let's start with the first currency pair. What do we see here? Look, the overall trend on this currency pair is downward, but you can see from the stochastics that it's at an oversold level and the lower Bollinger Band line. So my first trend would be up here. Let's go. And guys, as you can see, my first profit. And do you think I'll be able to reach the 70,000 bucks amount? By the way, do you guys maybe invest in any coins? Please write about it in comment. I'm really curious. And let's move on to the second currency pair. And guys, in this currency pair, and because the general trend here is downtrend, but look, price is now at the resistance level, so it's why I want to test drive 90 bucks here. That's my entry deposit, but I'm very confident, so that's why the trend is down. Let's go. And guys, another great entry point. As you can see, my balance sheet is growing right in front of your eyes, and you'll agree that the strategy is pretty simple. All you need is for the candle to reach the upper Bollinger Band line and the stochastics to be above the 70 mark. That's when we can open a trade down. Guys, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find a link in the description below this video. And if you want to trade on my signals, write me in private messages. I want to trade, and I'll add you to the channel with working signals absolutely for free. Alright folks, let's continue our trading session. Right, I want to move on to the next currency pair. Let's see what do we see here. Upward trend again, but look, the stochastics are looking up, and I still want to test this level, but only by 10 bucks. Trade up. And guys, another great entry point. As you can see, that I didn't go in with my entire deposit, but it was pretty risky. So there's a small level of resistance here, and here's a look at it. So I decided to test it out. It wasn't clear as the price had already bunched off this level several times, reversing. Now we can see that it's heading upwards. Well, I managed to increase my deposit a little bit again, and I want to switch to this currency pair. It has a high payout percentage, and look, price is moving flat here, and you see that's a long candle. I think that's when the news broke. By the way, I don't recommend anyone to trade during the news, as there can be quite strong impulses both up and down. And let's try to analyze what we see here. So what can we notice? That the price is at resistance level. Look at that, above 70. Alright, I want to invest 180 bucks here and open a trade down. And guys, great trade again. You have to agree, it was just delightful. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous situation actually. Look, the candles are in such a small horizon beige, and we can see that the candles here are alternating, small volume. So let's come back to this station a little later and see what's going on. And guys, on this currency pair you can see that there's a global uptrend here, but look, they're always at the resistance level now, so stochastic is at overbought level. Well, I want to invest 350 bucks here and up to this this my type deposit, but I'm very confident that the price needs to correct. All right, that's why the trade is down. And guys, again, great entry point. Just look at the great points these indicators predict. Yeah guys, look, there's actually a pretty strong resistance level forming here, while the price reached that level 3 times. Plus, according to our indicators, look, the price has reached the upper line of the Bollinger Band channel, and now the stochastic is starting to look down. Right, I have no doubt that this trend would be winning one. Well, let's go to this currency pair. On this currency pair, we see quite an interesting situation. Despite what you may notice here, there's a small level of support. But look, the candles are the lower Bollinger Band line, so 650 bucks. Trade is up, let's go. And guys, awesome entry point. That's a really great result. You'll agree. It's just unbelievable. See, this is the first 1,000 bucks on my balance for this trading session, but as a reminder, I need much more, guys. So now I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. But before I do, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find a link to it in the description to this video. Join my community. There you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. And if you want to trade on my signals, write me the secret code I want to trade, and I'll add you to my channel for free. Guys, I'll be there in a few minutes and we'll continue. Alright guys, back to our trading session. 1,000 bucks is my balance, certainly nice, but I need much more. So let me remind you, Bitcoin is worth about 70,000 bucks right now, and I wonder how many hours this trading session would last. So well, let's move on to this currency pair. And on this currency pair, we see a pretty good situation, and I think this is a head and shoulders reversal pattern. Now we're testing this level, and then the price will continue its movement to about this level. So I want to catch this 1,000 bucks upward movement now. Trade up, let's go. Awesome, another profitable trade. Well, to be honest, I'm a little worried as I've never made that amount of money before. And for this trading session, I need to make 70,000 bucks. That's how much Bitcoin is worth right now. This really very huge amount of money. You could buy a car with that amount of money, actually. So someone can buy an apartment or even go on vacation, but we're making money today in this trading session to buy Bitcoin. So guys, what do you think, by the way? Write me in the comments. Will I manage to trade on such amount or not? And I want to switch to this currency pair. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting situation. Here the price is moving in an ascending channel, and look, price is now at the resistance level. That's why I want to invest 2,000 bucks here. Trade up, let's go. You guys actually may notice my balance growing right in front of your eyes, and I remind you, I haven't had a single losing trade yet. Well, actually, because I analyze my trades very carefully and my win rate is around 86%. Well, I want to go to this currency pair, the first one. And guys, I see no awesome entry point. If we draw a visual line, we notice that there's a resistance level here, so trade down, let's go. Well guys, Another profitable trade. Let me explain to you now why I decided to open a trade here so quickly. Well, in fact, my level of technical analysis also led me to analyze trades very quickly, as well as my experience. So look, here is the resistance level. The price touched the first time, and here the second time. And also the price is near the upper Bollinger Band line. So that's why my trade was down here. Also, look at the stochastic oscillator. It has been at an overbought level for quite some time. So price just needs to correct after this upward move. It was just no symmetric point. But guys, I'm really worried about whether I can reach that amount or not. Well, 70,000 bucks on my balance sheet. That's only 10% of the total amount, by the way, but it's a pretty good result too. So let me remind you, I only made it to 50 bucks. Yeah, but let's get on with it. Yeah, I'm really curious to see what we might get. So let's move on to the second currency pair, and it unfortunately doesn't work. Alright, let's move on to the American dollar and Argentine peso. And guys, look at this currency pair. We see an uptrend now, even if it is the upper Bollinger Band line. But look, the stochastics are looking up, and I want to go to an older time frame and see the situation there. And guys, look, the price is now at a strong resistance level, so I have no doubt the turn will begin. So I want to open to 3,000 bucks trades, which means I want to invest 6,000 bucks. All right, trade down. Let's go. And guys, great point of entry. Look at that. With just large amounts, my balance has already grown more rapidly. 20,000 bucks on my balance sheet, and I've no intention to stop in it. I, however, am really wondering if I will actually be able to reach the 70,000 amount. Well, guys, okay, let's move on to this currency pair. There's a much higher payout percentage. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, we can see a rather interesting situation. Look, the price is at the lower Bollinger Band line, so I want to open a trade up. Let's go. Guys, just look, just right in front of your eyes. I managed the amount. I doubled my deposit, by the way. All right, it's 23,000 bucks already, and that's part 3. All right, so agree, I have very little left, literally a few open traders. All right, guys, I want to find a really cool situation on this currency pair. And guys, I see a cool situation in this currency pair right here. Look, the price is near the support level. Stochastic has been at oversold levels for a long time, and that's why I want to open a trade up. And guys, again, great entry point. Well, as you see, I'm managing to get step by step closer to my goal. So yes, I want to know this support level right now. Just look, 3 times it reached these levels, and that's why I decided to open a trade up here. By the way, it's very important not only to take into account what the indicators show you, but also technical analysis. And here we can notice technical analysis in Bollinger Band and stochastic indicators show the same. Well, guys, I want to switch to a currency pair with a higher percentage payout. Let it be this one. Let's look at the situation here. Yeah, it's a cool situation again. Look at what a bearish strong move it was. Alright, here the price is at the spot level, stochastic is at oversold level, and that's why I want to open a trade up. Let's go. Alright guys, cool, another profitable trade. Alright, look at this, my deposit is getting bigger and bigger every time. Almost 40,000 bucks, oh shit. Alright, you have to agree, it's just something incredible. I want to find another entry point right now. So let's analyze it very carefully so that you understand everything definitely. And guys, alright, on this currency pair I see continued flat here, but look, there's a pretty strong support level there. Stochastic is the Vassal level. Well, I think the price will go up. Alright, trade up, let's go. Guys, unbelievable. 46,000 bucks. Well, to believe in that, to be honest, this is by far the largest amount I've ever made on binary options. By the way, guys, I'll repeat that I open all my trades on 1 minute time frame, and the escape time is also 1 minute. So guys, just look at the amount that was achieved for just 1 minute. By the way, a few months earlier, I could buy Bitcoin for the amount, but now it's more expensive, and many investors are saying it will be around 150 bucks later. So do you guys believe that? Well, personally, I do, and I want to move on to the next currency pair, since right now we're not going to buy Bitcoin with this money. So that's not good enough for us today. Alright, I see a pretty good situation here. Actually, I think the price will go up. Alright, that's why straight up. Let's go. Alright guys, great profit again. Alright, so you see my balance is getting bigger. Wow, it's unbelievable. Alright, just look at the amount of money I was able to achieve by starting trading Quotex at only 50 bucks. Alright, I'll say again, all you need to do is just analyze your entry points very carefully. Plug in technical analysis, indicators, whatever you prefer. By the way, this is my favorite indicator combination. Bollinger Bands is exactly with these settings and stochastic oscillator. So you'll always be in profit. Well, also never trade your entire deposit if you're unsure of your entry points. So let's open some more trades. I think we'll reach our amount actually for now, and I want to switch to this currency pair. And guys, I see pretty interesting situation in this currency pair. Alright, look, the price is broken through this level, and I think it's moving toward that level now. And when this level is reached, of course, a reversal will begin, because look, this stochastic oscillator has been in an upward position for a long time, so I want to open a trade down here. Yeah, guys, this is what high level of professionalism means. Just look, 63,000 bucks on my balance sheet. Just show me such a trader who could earn such amount of money by starting to trade on Quotex with only 50 bucks. Holy shit! By the way, 50 bucks is the minimum deposit with which I recommend my traders to join my VIP channel. And by the way, if you want to trade on my signals, just join my community. So if you want to trade in my signals, write me in private messages, I want to trade, and I'll add you to my channel absolutely for free. And guys, I think we're going to open another trade with you, and that will be enough for today. So let's find a really good situation, and hopefully it will be with a good payout percentage. Alright guys, on this currency pair we're going to see a really awesome situation. Look, the price is at the resistance level. Well, that's why I want to invest 9,000 bucks here. Trade down, let's go. And guys, just look at that. Shit, my balance is 71,000 bucks. Well, I think this amount will be not enough to buy one Bitcoin today, but guys, I'm really tired. I spent a lot of hours trading, analyzing, so now I'm going to have a little bit coffee again and going to come back to you, and we're going to be buying Bitcoin with you. Alright, I want to trade some more. So what if Bitcoin does go up again? So alright, let's go back to our trading session. Let's go to this currency pair. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Look at that, the price has finally started to correct. Alright, I want to catch the downward movement again. So trade down. Let's go. Once again, profitable trade. Guys, as you see, I managed to actually make some more money, and just look at my deposit. I earned even more than I had planned, and that money I invest in other clients as well. So if you're curious about the clients, I'll be investing them. Just post about it in the comments and I'll create a separate video about it. So well, I think that's enough for today, really enough. And again, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. Join it, the link below this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I wish everyone a really good day. And for now, goodbye.